Welcome to Teachers Credit Union Bank. May you have some money? Thank you. Coin Bank! Hi, I'm Joe from History and Reviews. I don't know why the teller asked if they wanted money, but you know. Anyway, this is an old school, and I mean oldie. You can tell by like the 2000-ish picture where like they have it in a studio, and it's barely bokeh. Digital LCD display automatically keeps track of savings, which is very cool. I mean, piggy banks nowadays, which is kind of ironic, have reverted back to just dropping it in. You can't keep count of how much money you have. This is count some money for you, exactly how much you have. I'm pretty sure it requires battery. Take the guesswork out of coin counting with the fun-to-save coin counting money jar. Inspired by the classic mason jar, this modern bank automatically calculates a new total each time you add a coin, giving kids a whole new way to watch their money grow. This thing is really cool. 2011, so I mean, honestly, it's newer than I thought. Merch Source distributed it, and then Foothill Ranch, also, okay. Blue Hot Toy Company is where you can, if I look up Blue Hot Toy Company, you might find this. It's got a girl, she's so happy about putting that quarter or whatever in there, and this dude is like, doesn't want to be in the picture, but still going to do it for the money. Convenient. Ages 6 and up, but I'm 19. So, they give you cardboard, and here it is. You know, it's actually pretty sturdy. Warning, keep this bag away from babies and children. Even though children are 6 years old, this is what it recommends. That makes no sense. Do not use in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. The thin film may cling to nose and mouth and prevent breathing. That's violent. Way to murder your kid. Let's get into the unboxing before I freak out. So, there it is. One. Sorry about that. So let's open it up. I'm really sorry about that. It just, that's what happens. So don't, you know. Instruction manual. 2 AAA batteries. So I happen to have money in my pocket, so we can test it and see if it works. Another thing I like about this bank is, again, it tells you the exact amount of money you have. You know, you don't need to like take it out and count. I mean, thank you, camera guy. Wow, see the thing? I just got 2 AAA batteries because we have that here at the studio. Silica gel. Throw away. Do not eat. Desiccant. The instruction manual. I assume, and we need a screwdriver to open it. We'll be right back. Alright, so we have put the batteries in, again, 2 AAA, and then the batteries actually go inside the little cap because that's where it reads the money. So let's start off with a penny. Let's start off with a penny. Let's start off with a penny. Kind of hard to put it through, you have to push. You know, you push through a lot of things when you put it in. Another penny. Let's try a quarter. So it reads the coin, I assume. A dime. And a big old freaking quarter. So we have a total of 63 cents. That is cool. Honestly, that is really cool. Again, these came out not super long ago, but still a pretty decent time away. Get one of these, really, if you do not want to lose track. It's big enough to hold a lot of... Hello there, camera. It's big enough to hold a lot of coinage, a lot of money. I wish it would work on, like, actual money, like, you know, paperback. Not nickelback, paperback. But, yeah, fun to save counting piggy bank, which is really unique and cool. So we have 63 cents in. I don't know how you reset it. You can't really push the coin back through to reset it because that would be stupid. Let's see what happens when we take out the coinage. Even though it's really not gonna, I don't think it's gonna do anything. But we'll test that. We'll see if that changes anything at all besides the coin falling. Oh gosh. Man, that bag on my face earlier just really made me freak out. Yeah. guys. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Counting Coin Piggy Bank. I just dropped a freaking again. If you guys like this, like, comment, subscribe. It's stuck at 63. At least it's not 69. Little kids, remember, this is for kids 6 and up, but it says don't give it to kids. Remember that? I don't know why. I mean, something was wrong, a counting error. So, I hope you enjoyed this review of the... I don't know, sideways. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Counting Piggy Bank, the mason jar inspired plastic thing. It's as big as my head. Thank you guys for watching so much. Subscribe, like, comment, dislike. Doesn't matter.